To replace the pedal, a 6mm Allen key is required. The right hand pedal has a conventional right hand thread. This means that when removing from the rear, it must be turned clockwise to drive the threaded shaft down through the crank. The replacement is the reverse. Again, for the right hand side pedal, it is a conventional right hand thread, so the threaded shaft has to be turned counterclockwise from the reverse side of the crank to draw it into the crank. The pedal must be securely tightened. It is very important to note that for the left hand pedal, the thread is a left hand form. This means that you would need to do all the operations in the reverse to withdraw or reinsert the pedal. Left hand thread on the left hand side.